Okay, one side is done. Completely finished this up. Now we're going to start working on the other side, which is going to be a little bit harder because of the gap. But yeah, this turned out pretty good. Not too bad. That whole side's been done all the way around. Got a little gnarly in a couple spots, but all in all, the weld looks pretty good. Okay, so because this gap is so huge and all I have is 1/16 inch wire, look at the size of this gap. This gap is massive. The wire I'm holding in my hand, I got two of them together. Each of those separate wires is 1/16 of an inch. So this would really require, like I said before, 3 30-seconds or even an 1/8 inch wire and a larger electrode, which I don't have the wire here in the in the shop. So what I'll do in this case is, in a pinch and it's working, I'll take two 1/16 wires side by side and then just do what's called a lay wire technique. I'll heat up this side, the thick side, really well, get it going, lay the wire right in there, and then just bring the torch across it just for a moment, and then right back to the hot side, back to the thick side. So it's kind of messy, but it's getting it done. Alright, we got all the welding done on the main tube across there. Ran into some challenges there, but it's okay. There you go. You can see this side over here was definitely more of a challenge. I had to double up the wire, like I said earlier, but if you look at these pieces of wire right here, you see how the end of those wires are like stuck together. I was actually literally holding two wires at the same time. Yeah, they start out, you know, like what, 2 or 3 feet long, right? So I had to lay two wires in there at once, and that's why this side looks kind of ugly. Had to really fill in a huge gap over here, so a little ugly, but it got done. The welds are solid and they're all sealed up. They may not be pretty. This side, the gap was much better. Not exactly a stack of dimes, but my welding keeps getting better and better, so little by little my skills are improving. That's good. Anyway, this job is done far as putting in the centerpiece. I have some stainless 304 sheet coming in tomorrow, and we're going to close off this piece right here. This section goes to the end, it goes to the rear of the bike, and that's it. Then we'll mount it back all up. We know it fits now because I did that soft fit earlier. Looking good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Turned out good.